What's one thing more profitable than flipping houses, but doesn't require you to own a single property? Real estate affiliate marketing. Yep, it's a legit way to earn online by promoting tools and services used by real estate investors, landlords, and even vacation renters without ever touching a mortgage or lease. One of the members of the winning journey tried this side hustle, and today I'll walk you through two platforms you can start promoting right now: DealCheck, the #1 tool for analyzing rental properties, and Vrbo, a booking site backed by Expedia that lets you cash in on vacation rentals. You'll see how both work, who they're perfect for, and which one might help you earn faster. I'll even show you how to get started if you're completely new to affiliate marketing. If you're looking to tap into one of the most lucrative industries without buying real estate, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Let's break this down. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you recommend a product or service, and when someone makes a purchase using your unique link, you get paid a commission. No inventory, no customer service, no upfront costs. Real estate affiliate marketing takes that concept and applies it to one of the most cash-heavy markets out there. From real estate investors using software to analyze deals to families booking vacation homes online, this space is full of buyers, and they're already spending money. As an affiliate, your job is to guide them toward tools and services they're likely to use anyway. Just think about rental property calculators, vacation booking platforms, landlord software, educational courses, and more. All you need is content, whether that's a blog post, a YouTube video, or even a single TikTok. And once your links are live, your earnings can be too, even while you sleep. You don't need a real estate license. You don't need to own property. You just need to know which tools to promote and who to promote them to. Let's start with a platform made for serious real estate investors: DealCheck. DealCheck is one of the most trusted tools for real estate investment analysis. It's used by investors, agents, and landlords to evaluate properties quickly and accurately. Think of it as a smart, automated calculator that handles all the key numbers investors care about, including ROI, cap rate, cash flow, break-even points, and more. Here's how it works. You enter the property details like price, mortgage info, estimated rent, rehab costs, and DealCheck runs the numbers. It shows you whether the deal makes financial sense and how it compares to similar properties in the area. It's clean, fast, and packed with features. You can save reports, customize branding, and even analyze multifamily deals and BRRRR strategies. Now, here's where it becomes an income stream for you. DealCheck has an affiliate program. If someone signs up for a paid plan using your link, you get a recurring commission. That means if they stay subscribed month after month, you keep earning. The commissions stack up, especially if your audience includes real estate investors, house flippers, or even beginners looking to break into the market. If you run a YouTube channel or a TikTok page focused on passive income or real estate education, you can create simple walkthroughs like how to analyze rental deals in under 60 seconds. Add your link and let the content do the heavy lifting. Pros are that it's a high-value tool with recurring commissions and real demand from real investors. The only catch is that it's more niche, so your content needs to reach the right people. But once you find your audience, DealCheck can become a consistent passive income stream. Now, let's look at a completely different angle with the vacation rentals. Vrbo stands for Vacation Rentals by Owner. It's a vacation rental platform under the Expedia Group, which means you're not just promoting a listing site, you're backed by a global travel brand. Millions of people use Vrbo to book homes, condos, beach houses, and more for vacations. And here's where the affiliate opportunity kicks in. When someone books a stay through your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of that booking. Whether it's a $300 weekend getaway or a $3,000 family reunion at a lake house, you get paid after the booking is confirmed. Typically, commissions range from 4% to 6%, and the cookie window lasts for 7 days, meaning if someone clicks your link and books within a week, you still earn the commission. This program is ideal for content creators in the travel space. You know, like YouTubers doing travel vlogs, bloggers creating destination guides, or even Instagram pages curating beautiful rental homes. Pinterest also performs well, especially for keywords like best cabins near Denver or budget-friendly beach rentals. The best part is that you're not locked into one niche or location. Whether you promote romantic getaways, family-friendly listings, or luxury vacation homes, you're reaching a wide audience. The downside is that commissions are one-time only, unlike DealCheck's recurring model, and competition is higher since travel content is everywhere. But VRBO's trust factor, massive inventory, and Expedia backing make it easier to convert clicks into bookings. And that means you can monetize content from day one, especially if you create evergreen content that ranks on Google or YouTube. So now you've seen both models. One focused on helping investors evaluate deals, and the other on helping travelers find the perfect stay. But which affiliate program actually makes you more? We'll break that down next. Let's now compare DealCheck and VRBO to figure out which one might be the better fit depending on your goals. In terms of ease of use, VRBO has the advantage. It's straightforward. People understand booking vacation rentals, and there's very little explanation required. You're essentially promoting listings that people already want. DealCheck, on the other hand, requires a bit of understanding. It's a specialized tool for real estate investors, so your audience needs to be in that niche, or at least be interested in investment concepts. When it comes to commissions, DealCheck offers more potential over the long run. It pays recurring commissions. This means that as long as your referred users keep their subscriptions active, you continue to earn. But then, VRBO is more immediate. It pays once per completed booking. That's great for fast income, but it doesn't build residuals over time. Audience size is also different. VRBO caters to a broad audience. Anyone planning a trip or a vacation could be a potential customer. On the other hand, DealCheck targets a more specific group of real estate investors, agents, or people who want to start investing. While the audience is smaller, it's often more valuable. These users tend to spend more and value tools that save them time or help them make smart financial decisions. As for long-term potential, DealCheck is arguably stronger if you plan to stay in the real estate niche. It positions you as a more serious resource, and recurring income can scale well over time. VRBO fits better if your content revolves around lifestyle, travel, or general recommendations. Ultimately, neither one is objectively better. It depends on your content, your audience, and your personal interest. If you want fast results and a wide reach, VRBO is easier to promote. If you're aiming to build long-term authority and income in the real estate space, DealCheck may be the smarter move. You can also consider using both. If you're someone who creates real estate content, you might recommend DealCheck for deal analysis and VRBO for short-term rental opportunities or travel tips around property investment. The two can complement each other if used correctly. Let's move on to how you can actually make money with either of them, because strategy is everything. It's one thing to sign up for an affiliate program, but it's another to actually earn with it consistently. That's where having a smart promotion strategy matters. Whether you go with DealCheck, VRBO, or both, you need to focus on three key things: the right content, the right platform, and the right traffic. Start by choosing your primary content channel. If you're comfortable writing a blog or newsletter, DealCheck is a great place to start. You can write articles like Top Tools for Real Estate Investors or How to Analyze a Rental Property, and naturally include your DealCheck link. If you're leaning toward VRBO, listicles or destination guides work well, like 10 Best VRBO Cabins in the Smoky Mountains. If video is your strength, YouTube is an incredibly powerful option. Create walkthroughs, tutorials, reviews, or case studies. A video showing how you use DealCheck to analyze a live deal can attract viewers who are already interested in real estate investing. For VRBO, vlog-style content or travel reviews are effective. Viewers see the property and are more likely to click your affiliate link to book something similar. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest also work well, especially for VRBO. Short, visually engaging clips of beautiful rentals can capture attention quickly. Add your affiliate link in your bio or post descriptions to redirect traffic. DealCheck is a bit more niche, so LinkedIn or Twitter might be more appropriate if you're sharing market insights or tools with a professional audience. Knowing your audience is key. For VRBO, your target includes travelers, families, students, remote workers, and basically anyone planning a trip. Your tone should be visual and inspirational. For Deal Check, your audience is looking for facts, numbers, and trustworthy insights. The more you can simplify the process and show how the tool works, the more confidence you build in your recommendation. Make sure your links are easy to access. If you're posting on YouTube, always place your affiliate link at the top of the video description. In blogs or newsletters, integrate them naturally into the content and make them stand out with a simple call to action. Consistency matters. Don't expect major returns after just one piece of content. The more content you create, the more opportunities you give people to click and convert. Over time, this builds a stream of recurring income, especially if you're promoting Deal Check. Also, it's important to disclose affiliate relationships. Add a simple disclaimer letting people know that you may earn a commission if they click on your links. This not only keeps you compliant with regulations, but also helps establish transparency and trust with your audience. Lastly, consider building an email list. Whether you're reviewing properties, sharing travel tips, or offering investment advice, your list becomes your direct connection to your audience. Use it to recommend affiliate tools or highlight new content that includes your links. Email marketing has some of the highest ROI in the online world, and it gives you more control over your communication compared to relying only on social platforms. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing in the real estate space can go beyond side income and become a consistent and scalable business model. Now that you've seen how both Deal Check and Vrbo work and how to turn their affiliate programs into real income streams, it's time to choose your path. Are you more interested in the investment side of things, with a recurring income model like Deal Check offers? Or are you drawn to the travel and lifestyle space, where Vrbo makes it easy to start sharing and earning right away? Check the description for both affiliate links, whether you're ready to analyze your first rental deal or book a weekend cabin. I hope these platforms can help and reward you for simply sharing value. So, sign up and start earning today. If this kind of content is helpful and you're interested in real ways to make money online, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more strategies and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.